The greatest challenge, in my view, is managing the present political turmoil in many parts of the world against international organizations, and especially opposition coming from the very powerful United States of America. That the Office of the Prosecutor is not involved and is not driven by politics is important not only for the prosecutor to say and to repeat, but also to demonstrate. That is made particularly difficult today in the background of the present dislocation of the Security Council. The fact that the Security Council, by the use of the veto of one or other of its permanent 5 members, protects war criminals in countries like Syria and Somalia, makes the whole system of international justice appear to be unfair, and of course it is. The worst war criminals should be prosecuted, and if they're not prosecuted at home, should be prosecuted by the International Criminal Court. However, on the other hand, denying justice for some victims is no reason for denying justice to all victims. Many people, and too many journalists, think that it is a decision of the prosecutor of the ICC that keeps that court from investigating the terrible war crimes to which I have referred in Syria and Somalia and elsewhere. They do not understand that it is the veto power exercised in the Security Council that protects those war criminals from the court. Perhaps the biggest challenge for the next prosecutor is to make the International Criminal Court more efficient in the face of a stagnant budget. And of course, a stagnant budget means a diminishing budget, taking into account inflation. The financial prospects of the International Criminal Court are worsened by the implications, the economic implications of the COVID-19 pandemic. But the world will not be the same after this pandemic, and it is already changed. I can give one example in respect of the independent expert review group that I recently chaired at the request of the Assembly of States Parties. There were 9 members of the group, and we came from all corners of the world. We began our meetings in February and in March in The Hague, and had to abruptly end them in the middle of March when we had to hasten home in the background of the pandemic. We were nonetheless able, through modern technology, to complete our work within the short time period given to us. As is well known, the final report of the group was made public on the 30th of September, which was the date given to us in our original mandate.